Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to get started and create customized reports using the proGrow One app, whether it's for your weekly team meeting, daily analysis, or a presentation for top management, for example. This feature is very useful because instead of spending time every week digging through spreadsheets to find always the same metrics, now we can bring those insights directly to you. With custom reports, you can track your production efficiency in real time without the manual effort. So how can you do this in the app? Once you are logged in, you'll reach the main dashboard where you will find the AI chat and several icebreakers to get you started quickly. To create your own personalized view, look at the report section and click the plus square. A configuration window will pop up. First, give your report a title. Let's call this one Weekly Efficiency Check. Under Instruction, type exactly what you want the report to focus on. For example, compare OEE between line A and line B. Then set your schedule. You can choose the frequency like daily, weekly, or monthly, and the specific time you want to receive it. I want this one to be weekly. Lastly, ensure the alerts toggle is active if you want to be notified, and then simply hit save. That's it. You've successfully created a customized report. From now on, you will receive this report weekly, and there's no need to manually request this data from the chat anymore. The system will automatically provide these updates. Now, you can monitor your KPIs more effectively than ever. Here's a tip. If you need to dive deeper, use the suggestion icebreakers to filter the results instantly. Now you might be wondering, what if I want to delete a report? It's very simple. Just do a long press on the report you want to remove, and this opens the settings menu. From there, you just need to click the delete button at the bottom. If you want to know more about the proGrow One solutions or need a hand setting things up, please contact me via email. Thanks for watching.